Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm gonna show you how to get temu free gift without inviting friends. So first of all, before you do anything, log in with your account on temu. Secondly, you can just go ahead to your app store Google Play and double check if the app needs to be updated. Alright, now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just get back to the temu. Right now, if I wanted to get a free gift without inviting friends, you're gonna click right here after you log in, of course, with your account on temu, and you will see right here coupons and offers, credit balance, and you will see right here earned credit and free gifts. So I'm gonna just click on it, and basically what's gonna happen, they're gonna give you free gifts and credits, almost like 5 to 3 gifts daily, right? So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just click one of those gifts, for example, right? And what I'm gonna do here, I'm gonna just go ahead and follow along the steps right here. And it says, you will need to click right here to spin right here, so you can earn more gifts and get a reward, right? So basically that's actually how it works, and you will get a free gifts right here for shopping in temu. So it's really amazing, amazing feature and amazing rewards that's been given from temu, so you can get actually free items and whatnot, or what have you. All right, so let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.